Welcome back to the channel. This is an important video where I would highly recommend anyone who has an iPhone or an iPad to update their device from iOS 14.3 to 14.4. Apple strongly recommends to update your Apple device to iOS 14.4. As you can see in this article by TechCrunch, iOS 14.4 fixes 3 main vulnerabilities that may have been used by the hacker. So in this video, I want to show you how to install this new update. On your iPhone, go to your settings, then go to General, then tap on Software Update. Your device will let you know if an update is required. As you can see, 14.4 is available, so I'll tap on Download and Install. Enter in your PIN code. Then accept the terms and conditions. Now your iPhone will start to download the update. Once it downloads, you'll then see Install Now. Tap on it. The iPhone will then restart and install the new update on your iPhone. And there you go, that is how to install the new update iOS 14.4 from Apple. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.